there, I'm Amanda Corrigan, Strategy Manager at CDW. And today I'm joined by Paul Zajdel, VP of Data and Analytics at CDW. How are you, Paul?
Amanda, I am doing excellent, and it's great to be here with you today.
Well, we're here to talk about Gartner Data and Analytics Summit 2026, and it was incredible. There is a lot to unpack. This year, Gartner Data and Analytics reinforced really just how fast AI is moving. But the bigger conversation is trust.
Oh, I totally agree, Amanda. The energy was sky high. Conversations were great, very insightful. People weren't just asking, can AI do it? They were asking, can we trust the answer behind it? I did a presentation there, and the whole theme of it was AI is moving faster than our ability to govern the data. So just because you can use AI to talk to your data doesn't necessarily mean you can trust the answers you're going to get.
Yeah, that presentation was a highlight for a lot of attendees, Paul. One highlight also for me was how often trust came up as the real unlock for AI. The focus wasn't just on new tools, it was on how teams make insights that are dependable, usable enough to act on.
Yeah, I heard a couple of themes on repeat. First of all, data quality and data readiness is a huge one. Customers want to be able to trust that the data they have in their system of record is accurate. And then secondly, they need to have a data governance program that doesn't slow teams down. You can't move at the speed of AI if you're still not sure who's responsible for the data and is it correct. The shift is clear. Teams want answers they can stand behind, not just answers that sound good.
Agree. Another big challenge I kept on hearing was moving from pilots to something that was repeatable and being able to actualize and operationalize on AI.
Yeah, same here. I heard a lot of the same things. A lot of teams are still working through inconsistent data, lineage issues, data stewardship and ownership issues, general governance issues, not to mention data quality. And it's not just strategy, it's execution. People kept asking, how do we measure value and prove impact?
Well, thanks for joining me today, Paul.
Thanks for having me, Amanda.
Well, Gartner Data and Analytics made it clear AI is not the hard part, trust is. If you want to keep the conversation going, please contact Paul or myself or reach out to your CDW team. Thanks for watching.